Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through making another video on this same project, and we took out a little square right there. But while I was loading, I was fixing to erase this, and I thought, these lines are really too close. So I thought I'd show how to repair that. I've got my nudge factor set on, let's go 0.01, and to take these lines, because this would be too thin and you'd really want this filled in, take your shape tool and click on your item and then grab both those nodes, and then with your left arrow key just nudge it over. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete those two lines, and then that would not cut out if you wanted to cut this out and this was full. And there's a few other, it's another way you could connect letters. Same thing probably on this O. That's too close, but you could very easily take this part of this T, do the same thing, get your shape tool, click on your item, grab those two nodes, and just move them over till they touch that. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete these two sections, and then that would become an even part. It's almost like welding things together. You would probably have to move these two letters over closer if you wanted the whole thing welded together. But that's just a little insight to use your nudge factor to move lines around with your shape tool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.